everyone. Um, I'm really sorry. I know it's been a really long time since I've done a video, and that's for one main reason, and that's that some of you may know that my mother has been having health issues now for the last year or so, a little bit more. And just lately, it's gotten really, really bad to the point where she requires almost all of my attention and care. I never really knew much about elder care and what's required, as well as the emotional and psychological issues that come with it. So I'm just really trying to navigate these waters and figure out how to navigate it and how to get my life back while making sure that she's cared for in the appropriate way. So this is a challenge. It's been a challenge emotionally. It's been a challenge in so many different ways. So I'm just really trying to figure it all out. So hopefully I will have my life back soon. But in the meantime, I have a little bit of news. I have been appointed an ambassador of light for Stella Pro Lights. So that's very exciting. I am in the process of getting rid of my entire strobe kit and replacing it with all Stella Pro lights. And I do have a shipment coming in next week, so I'm really excited about that. I am really looking forward to having a smaller kit because these lights are very portable, very small, as compared to my Allen Crom strobes, which, you know, the heads are this big, and who really wants to use those, much less outside, and, you know, you require electricity and power and all that other fun stuff. So super excited. And one of the added benefits to me being an ambassador of light is that you guys get 20% off anything that you buy through my affiliate link. So make sure you check that out if you're in the market, and stay tuned for a lot more videos that are going to feature exclusively these lights. I'm just blown away by them. I couldn't even believe it when I first got mine, how amazing it was, especially for, you know, just filling in the shadows and getting rid of harsh shadows that you maybe don't want on your subject or anything like that. This video here I shot at a local wedding venue. It's actually their personal residence, but they do use it for bridal portrait. They do use a portion of the property for weddings. Not huge weddings because it is relatively small from a wedding venue perspective. But it's just absolutely the most wonderful home. I can't even with it. It's built somewhere in the early 1900s, and they've tried to make it kind of era correct in the way that they refinished it. And it also has a beautiful backyard and area that you can have your ceremony outside. Just so much. They also have a pool and have offered it to me very graciously so that I can start doing some underwater shoots this summer. So you know I'm excited by that because I've never done underwater shooting and I've always wanted to try. So yeah, I'm going to be probably stumbling my way through that this summer, but I'm super excited by it. So in this video, I'm using exclusively the CLX 10 by Stella Pro, and essentially my vision for this was only to just accentuate the ambient or the natural light within the location, which I think it pulled off amazingly. And you'll see specifically in the opening scene, I am shooting Rory. It's bridal lingerie, so she's in this really quaint, beautiful little frilly bathroom, and you're not going to see the light, but what I've done is I've just aimed it at a white wall so that the bounce would come back into her face. There was window light there as well, but I just wanted to create just a little bit more fill. So you won't see that because obviously the bathroom was way too small for us to get a wide angle of everything. But every other scene you will see exactly how I placed it, and as we go through it, I'll share with you the strength, the power strength that I had to use for those various looks. We did do several looks and ended up being really cool. There is another video that I'll put up after this at the same location, a different model. This one was just bridal and essentially the exact same thing, but these are a little more fashiony, bridal fashiony, which I know is not really my genre. But you know, I have a very strong photography base, and then all of the editing I do on top is definitely less photographic in nature and more, you know, painterly. So in the bridal ones, I did try to stay away from the more painterly and focus more on the, bridal fashion, because let's face it, brides don't want a painterly picture of them most of the time, and it's usually just straight photography. So I did kind of focus on that, but that'll be the next video, and I'll be hopefully putting that up shortly after this one. Additionally, from the last video, since I have not done a video since the last video, where I was just showing you the new PNG overlay files that I created for my store, lots of people commented, and I did promise that somebody who would comment, I would give away a free set. So I'm just going to place the winner's name right here, right now. And if you see your name right here, right now, then go ahead and reach out to me. You can email me at nikkiharrisonart@gmail.com, and I will send you your free set. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I really wanted to draw your attention to her hand, the wrist. It's definitely not something that I would want to edit, and you can see here the reason why. So just be very aware when your model is posing. Normally I have somebody on set with me. Typically it's my hairstylist Desiree, and she always watches for different things that I don't necessarily see when I'm shooting. So I just really advise that because, that would have been a really pretty shot had I not missed that her wrist was kind of disjointed.
some kind of bug.